Hey guys, this is Spencer with Be Automated. I'm going to show you guys how to connect a contact form 7 on your WordPress site to Infusionsoft through Zapier so that when somebody signs up on your form on your website, they'll be automatically put into Infusionsoft and you could even start a campaign. So let's get started. There's going to be three things you need to have open to do this is your app, your Infusionsoft app. You need to have the campaign builder open and go ahead and just create a new campaign or go into an existing one. You'll need WordPress and you'll also need Zapier open, okay? But let's start with Infusionsoft. So we're going to have a tag, a start tag, and I already created a tag. It's called CF7, contact form 7, lead, save. And when this tag is applied to any contact, we're going to start a sequence of emails, right? We'll call this free PDF nurture. Okay. So we're going to be sending them a free PDF if they sign up on our website. And this is the email that is going to be sent to them if they sign up. Okay. Now, if this is the first email you're sending to this contact, I would recommend not using a picture. Okay. ESPs do not like that. They usually put it in the spam box if it's the first time you're contacting somebody and it is a picture. So let's just put, here is your free PDF download link, right? And then you can say, you can give this, put in your download link right here, okay? But that's pretty much it. It could come from me, save, test. There you go. So this is the email that will be immediately sent to any contact in Infusionsoft who has that tag applied to them, okay? So let's just make this ready. Okay, this is ready to go. So now we just need to go to WordPress and create a contact form. Okay, two plugins you need. One, and the obvious one, you need contact form 7. Okay, get contact form 7. Download it. And the other one we're going to need is called CF7 to Zapier. Okay. It's not. Is it really not loaded? There we go. Okay. Just being a little slow. Okay. Contact form 7, right? You need contact form 7. You also need CF7 to Zapier. This allows us to be able to connect contact form 7 to Zapier. Okay. So let's head over to contact form 7. You'll notice when you create a new form, check this out. There's a new tab that pops up called Zapier. Usually it's just form mail messages and additional settings. Zapier allows you to connect it. So we're just going to keep this normal form as it is and call this CF7 form. Okay. Save it. It'll give us our short code. And we're going to want to copy this short code so that we can paste it into a new page, right? While that loads, let's go ahead and open up a new page. We're going to call this contact form 7 new page. Okay. And we're just going to start building this. I use Elementor as my page builder. I love it. It's an awesome plugin. So let me change this to Elementor Canvas. Okay, we're going to throw in the short code that we're going to get once this loads. Finally, it's loading. Let's go back here. Come on, WordPress. You can do this. I have faith in you. There we go. Gosh, you're gonna want to copy this information right there, paste it into your shortcode, and voila. Okay, my contact form's all messed up. I don't know what that's all about. Let me fix that. So I'm gonna hit publish. Okay. It's published. Now we can go ahead and take a look at our page. Okay. Here's our page. We're going to go ahead and go to Zapier now that we have the page built. We're going to make a new Zap so that we can connect that form on that page to Infusionsoft, the campaign we already built. And we do it through Zapier with something called a webhook. Okay. It looks like this. It's got the 3 circles. It looks like a triangle. Go ahead and click on webhooks. Catch a hook. So anytime somebody fills out the form, this Zap will be triggered. Don't worry about this field. Just click continue. There's a URL. I want you to copy that URL, go back to the form, click on the Zapier tab, and put in that URL in the webhook URL, and click send to Zapier. Don't forget that. Click send to Zapier, otherwise it will not work. Go ahead and save. Refresh the page so that now it has that information. And the last step is we want to say, okay, I did this. Now it's going to sit here. It's not going to do anything, okay, until you fill out this form with an example, okay? So we'll say Billy Bob Joe. Yeah, I've done this before. Billy Bob Joe at example.com. I'm going to call this test, and then this is my test message. Call this test subject. Awesome. Now when we send this, watch what happens. Ready? And bam, there it is. So Zapier got our information for our first test. Now we want to connect it to Infusionsoft. Okay, so click Infusionsoft, create update contact. You're going to choose the app that you want it to be sent to. You should just have one. Now for email, it's saying, okay, where is the email input field? I'm going to say this was the email input field. So anyone who puts in their email, it'll be put into this Infusionsoft email form. Okay. Opt-in. Yes, I want them to opt-in. We're going to check for duplicates by email and the name. First name here. You can create a last name on the form and create a field for that. For personal notes, we'll put a subject and message. Okay. And tag name, CF7 lead. There it is. If your tag doesn't show up, just scroll down to the bottom and click check Infusionsoft and reload, bring in my choices, and it should pop up. But yeah, simple as that, guys. I click continue. It'll send Infusionsoft a test. And once it's done that, it's created that new contact called Billy Bob Joe. If you see here, there is nobody in my campaign. It's loading right now. Here we go. Yeah, there's nobody in my campaign. And when I publish it, there will be somebody in my campaign because it just sent a test, right? Click finish. CF7 to Infusionsoft. Okay. App is good to go. Leave that on, and we're going to go ahead and publish. Publish. Oh, look, there's a contact that meets the tag goal. Let's view that contact. There it is. Billy Bob Joe with the tag CF7 lead. So I'm going to add that contact, right? So now anytime anyone fills out this form on your website, a contact will be created in Infusionsoft, or it will be updated depending on if this person's already in your database. And let's go back out, back in. There it is, right? There's that active contacts, right? and it's connected through Zapier. That is pretty much it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will answer you as soon as I can. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button and you want to learn more about Infusionsoft, websites, and advertising, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video, and we'll come out with more content daily. So have a good one.